Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Strong Warrior. How are you? It is September 26th, 2023, Tuesday. I hope y'all chilling. Thank y'all so much for showing me love each and every time I come up here. It's been a real blessing for y'all to be on this journey with me. It lets me know that the purpose that I am walking is being fulfilled. It don't matter if it's one like, it don't matter if it's hundreds of likes. I mean, it kind of do matter in the case of like reach, but as long as I'm reaching, and as long as y'all are like letting me know that, it means a lot. So I'm getting this urgency to like cough, to stop talking. Somebody doesn't want like messages to be out, but it is what it is. You heard? Something that was being blocked here is now changing, and probably during the course of the new season, because of how something did. And in an area where someone didn't have like motivation to want to pursue this type of ascension, is taking like a leap of faith of some sort because of how something would be covered, how something would be like stabilized if something were to go left. So you can take that where that resonates. I'm getting something about like full of hype, or like something's being announced too soon, or just kind of like someone has a habit of just telling things to people like a little too soon or just a little too much, and it kind of like alters the way things go because of the information people find out. Sometimes they don't recognize who they're telling this to, and it's like no fault of their own, but it's one of those things where it's like it doesn't go according to plan. It doesn't go according to how someone who got the information thought it was going to play out. There's always some kind of like delay or something like that. So take it where it resonates. You already know the vibe.